So this is how to fix the Mafia 3 full screen issue. Make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Now go to the search and type in Steam. If you do find it running, make sure to right click and select End Task in order to terminate the process. Now go to the upside arrow right here. Make sure that the Steam app is not appearing. If you do have it, right click on it and select Exit Steam. Now wait for a couple of moments. After that, go relaunch the Steam launcher. You will be redirected to the store, so go to the library and select Collections. After that, go select the Mafia 3 game that you have. Game must be installed, otherwise it won't work. So once you select it, select this gear icon and click on Properties. After that, select Installed Files. After that, click on Browse. Just go to the game icon right here, .exe, right click and select Properties. Now from here, go to the compatibility tab. After that, make sure to select to disable full screen optimizations, select apply and OK. But the next step is so simple, so all you have to do is to open the Mafia 3 game and then go to the settings and make sure to put it on full screen and the problem should be fixed. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.